Have you ever wondered why some animals eat their own species? Welcome to the intriguing world of animal cannibalism, a phenomenon that might seem shocking, yet is surprisingly common in the animal kingdom. It's a world where over 1,500 species, from insects and spiders to scorpions and certain frogs, have been observed partaking in this somewhat unsettling behavior. In this fascinating realm, cannibalism is not restricted by the boundaries of species. Indeed, it can occur within the very same species, a concept that might seem perplexing to many of us. However, if we delve a little deeper, we find that this behavior often emerges as a response to stress or during mating interactions. It's a complex world, one that challenges our understanding of survival and competition. So you might ask, what could possibly drive an animal to consume its own kind? It might seem strange, even horrifying to us, but for many animals, cannibalism is a practical solution to a range of problems. Indeed, there are several reasons why some animals engage in cannibalism. The first could be as a response to stress. When the going gets tough, the tough get cannibalistic. In the animal kingdom, when resources are scarce or environmental conditions are harsh, some animals turn to cannibalism as a last resort to stay alive. For example, certain frogs and hedgehogs are known to consume their own kind when under stress. Another reason might be population density. When there are too many mouths to feed and not enough food to go around, some species resort to cannibalism to cut down the competition for resources. Insects, spiders, and scorpions are known to practice cannibalism for this very reason. It's a brutal, yet efficient way to ensure survival. Speaking of competition, cannibalism can also be a way to eliminate rivals. In the brutal world of survival of the fittest, some animals opt to consume their competition to get ahead. This can be observed in many species, but is particularly common among arachnids and certain types of fish. And then there are times when cannibalism is a part of mating interactions. It might seem bizarre to us, but in some species, including the notorious praying mantis and certain spiders, females consume their mates after copulation. This provides the female with additional nutrients she needs to produce and nourish her eggs, ensuring the survival of the next generation. So while it may seem gruesome or even shocking to us, cannibalism in the animal kingdom is often a practical and strategic response to the challenges of survival. As we can see, for many species, cannibalism is not a horror movie trope, but a survival strategy. So we've established that cannibalism is a common and natural behavior in the animal kingdom. But what does this mean for the species that practice it? Well, in some ways, cannibalism can be beneficial. It can help control population sizes, especially in species where food resources are limited. For example, when a spider consumes its offspring, it's reducing competition for food, ensuring the survival of the fittest. But there's a darker side to this behavior. Cannibalism can also lead to the spread of diseases. When an animal consumes a member of its own species, it's exposed to any illnesses that individual may have had, potentially spreading the disease throughout the population. Yet, despite these potential risks and benefits, cannibalism gives us a fascinating insight into animal behavior and ecology. It provides a window into the harsh realities of survival in the animal kingdom, where every action, even the most extreme, can have a purpose. From a human perspective, cannibalism might seem unsettling, but in the animal kingdom, it's simply another way of life.